The Blade 10 Ultra is Doogee's latest budget rugged phone. It belongs to the Blade 10 series, which consists of the Blade 10, the Blade 10 Pro, and of course the Blade 10 Ultra. Now the Blade 10 Ultra is among the stylish and sleek rugged devices. Even Doogee is bragging about its design, and they are also bragging about the fact that it is one of the thinnest and lightest rugged phones in the market. Anyway, let's quickly explore the top specs and features of the Blade 10 Ultra. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's begin. So there we go, guys, the Doogee Blade 10 Ultra. As you can see, it's a budget rugged phone with decent specs, and like I mentioned earlier, it's going to be very cheap, but I don't know its official price yet, although I'm expecting it to cost about $200 or maybe even less than that, or maybe $220 or maybe less than that. And yeah, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.